Hello all you fellow crafters, it's me, Quassi. And I know you guys are looking forward to the Viking house, and yes, I'm gonna make it. But right now I'm in the middle of Halloween projects and stuff like that. So I thought I'd show you something I'm doing for my next video, or at least a part for my next video. And I thought it would be funny if I showed you John Cena. Well, you know what? We're gonna torture him, and I'm gonna show you what I'm doing to him. He's gotta put his hands up there and be all cool, you know, John Cena cool, and you know, we're gonna change that. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take this heat gun and we're gonna torture the heck out of him and bend his arms where I want them to be. So here we go, guys. Poor John Cena getting tortured. Put your arm down there, John. Don't worry, it's just a needle. It's not gonna hurt, John. You're used to needles, aren't you, anyways, John? Hey, John, you're not holding your arm like I want you to, John. I guess I gotta torture you some more. What's happening to your hands, John? You look a little shiny, John. What's wrong? Why can't you get your arms up, John? So now you're gonna become a statue, John. Thank you.